Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are finally doing the BoxyLuxe unboxing. It's upside down. The BoxyLuxe, what is on it? Oh my god, it's covered in something. Ew. Shampoo. My box is covered in shampoo. Why? I don't know. So we are finally doing the BoxyLuxe unboxing, so I am excited for this box. The only item that I know that is in it this month is a hairdryer because I know that we got one in the FabFitFun box, and I'm really excited because I gave that one to my mom because I knew I was getting, okay, I got shampoo on my nose. I knew I was getting one in this box, so I gave her that one, and I'm excited to see what color it is and whatnot. So I obviously like color, as you guys can tell by all of my wigs and shenanigans and colorful eyeliner and lipsticks, and yeah, I like color. So I'm really excited. I hope I get a really colorful one. The BoxyLuxe that I got in December was the lime green one, the straightener. It was the lime green straightener. So I'm hoping that I got the lime green blow dryer to match, but even if I didn't, I really don't care. So we need to crack open this box. So I'm going to zoom you guys in, and then or maybe I'll zoom you guys out, and then we can crack into this box. Alright, so I have the box open. So when I open the box this month, it looks like this. So we get our card that we get every single month, and then it looks like this. So pretty much don't really know what's coming in it. So we get the card that has all of the prices on it, and I'm really looking forward to this box because I actually don't remember what we're getting. So can move everything. So I'm just gonna open and go through the first things my eyes gravitate to. So the first thing that I see is Dry Volume Blast. So Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So this is now the second time that I've gotten dry shampoo in a subscription box. I believe that I got one in my FabFitFun box quite a few months ago, and then I gave it to my boyfriend's sister. So this is the Living Proof one. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty standard packaging. It's literally just a gray bottle that says Living Proof, and you get 238 milliliters with, of course, a white cap to go on top. So it smells like hairspray. Like, it literally just smells like a Dove hairspray or a Tresemme hairspray, so that's awesome. I will have to test this out and let you guys know in a future video what I think of it and whatnot. I'm really not that picky when it comes to dry shampoo. I literally just use Dove most of the time, and it smells exactly like Dove, so that's awesome. This retails for $29, so that's a really expensive dry shampoo, so hopefully it works well. The next thing that I see, okay, so I believe this is the hairdryer, so we might as well just open up the hairdryer and see what we get. So this is by the brand PYT. So this is the Mini Turbo On The Go hairdryer. So I got the, oh god, so I didn't get the green one, unfortunately. I did get a purple one. So it's still a really gorgeous hairdryer. It's super cute. It is a little bit smaller, I think, than the one that we got with FabFitFun, or it may be the exact same size. I'm not too sure. The only thing that I'm going to say about these hairdryers is a lot of people are posting online saying that they used this hairdryer once and this part started to burn, and like it got discolored and it started to smell like a very burning scent. So I'm really nervous to use this, but I'm hoping it works out really great. So you get a little applicator with it, so that's cool, and it just clips right on. And then this retails for $85. So we get, oh, hold on, I believe we get two. Yeah, okay, so you get two little things that just kind of pop on, little applicators, and it retails for $85, so that's really great. It'll match my hair straightener that we got. I believe it's the same brand. I'll have to double check, but I got that lime green one, and it's like a mini hair straightener, and honestly, I've never used it because I honestly couldn't be bothered. It's too tiny for me personally. I have too much hair to even bother using that thing, and everybody says, well, it's for your baby hairs. I don't really have time to straighten my baby hairs. I really don't care. I wear wigs 24/7 because I don't want to do my hair. So I've never actually used my hair straightener. Or yeah, I've never actually used my hair straightener. A couple of people have reached out and said that they'll take it off of me, but I haven't really decided what I'm going to do with it yet. But I'll definitely be using this blow dryer in the future because it's really cute and handy, and I gave the other one to my mom. So we're at 114 so far, and that's only been 2 items, so that's really great. So the next thing that I see in here is Tracklist, by the brand Tracklist. So this is Good Vibes mascara. Okay, so we got another mascara. So I have so many mascaras from subscription boxes. I literally have not used a full tube of mascara in probably like 5 years now. So I always like getting stuff like this in subscription boxes because that means I'm never gonna run out. Okay, so this is really weird. So flip down to curl, okay. So this is treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Tracklist Good Vibes mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool, lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind. So this is like a lash curler and a mascara all in one, and looks like this comes in this kind of weird mechanism. It says flip to curl. Okay, so this is it, like I'm gonna have to figure out this mascara, and then you just twist it off and it goes to just a standard black mascara. So this is what this freaky looking thing looks like up close. So it's just a standard black mascara, and then it has like the curler part right here where you pull this down and then it like flips and curls your lashes. And I've never actually used an eyelash curler before, so I'm kind of scared of this thing. I am probably the weirdest girl ever because I literally have never used one before. They freak me out. I don't like anything really near my eyes. Even putting contacts in freaks me out a little bit. So I've never actually bothered to use a lash curler before, but this is really interesting. So this retails for $25 and it's a mascara and lash curler all in one. So if you were to go traveling, you wouldn't have to bring your eyelash curler if you're into that with you. It would just be like one mechanism. So that's really great. So the next thing that I see is by the brand Pharmacy. So this is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with 14% gentle flower acid blend, you'll get a youthful looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. So that's really amazing. I'm always excited to get items in subscription boxes that are skincare, just because I am really into skincare and I love just getting creams and all of that stuff. I'm still in the middle of testing out the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream, that video that I have going on for a month long. So I think this will be the one that I try next. So this is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. So up close, this is what it looks like. It's just a vanilla kind of beige bottle with just the Pharmacy logo on it. And you get, how many? You get 30 milliliters, so 1 fluid ounce in this product. So for 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, this is $58. Skincare is really, really on the expensive side, so that's why I personally like getting it in subscription boxes, and I'm really excited to try this out. I want to know what it smells like. Doesn't smell like anything that I'm getting right now, so that's really great. I don't really like really scented, heavily scented things, especially in skincare, so I'm really excited to try this out. So once I'm finished doing the month-long video of the IT Cosmetics cream, I will definitely do a video on this skin serum and see if it actually works, so video to come in the future. So the next thing that I see in here is the Dominic Cosmetics. So I don't know what this is. Dominic Cosmetics. So this is Lemonade Lip Gloss. So this is what this looks like. It's just a pink lip gloss, the shade Lemonade. So add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominic Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. So it's really cute packaging, and you get, how many fluid ounces do you get? So this is cruelty-free, and it'll last for 6 months. That's the shelf life for it, and you get, I will have to look it up and see how much it is because it doesn't say on the box. So I got the color Lemonade, and on the bottom of the box it says peach tea. So I don't actually know if it's lemonade or peach tea because it says lemonade on my card, but at the bottom of my box it says peach tea. So not too sure, but it's a really pretty color, and I'm sure it'll be really great. But as you guys know from watching my videos, I'm not into lip glosses, so I am going to put this aside and I'm going to give it away to my friend. Actually, my friend Dominic asked me if she could have it, so I'm gonna put it aside for her. So this retails for $17, and I think that's incredibly expensive, especially for a lip topper. Because this is a gloss and not an actual color or lipstick, I think that they should be a lot cheaper than what standard lipsticks cost, because I mean, even Jeffree Star's lip glosses are, what, $18, and this is $17 and it's a topper. I don't know, I think that's a little bit expensive, but I'm not into lip glosses, so I'm just gonna put it to the side. The next thing that I see in the box is Skin & Co. So this is the Aqua Illuminate Viso Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Oh my god. Alright, so Skin & Co. So Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice, enriched with antioxidant rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, okay, a bunch of ingredients. So it's supposed to make your skin feel really hydrated and really great, and it has a bunch of flowers in it. So it smells like peppermint, it smells like a candy cane, so that should be really great for the skin. So now I have a couple of skin misks to try out, because we just got a rose one in the FabFitFun box, and now I got this kind of mint smelling one, and that's really great. So up close, this is what the packaging looks like. I think it is a really cute packaging. It's just a standard white bottle with like a gold kind of, what would you call that, gold? A kind of goldy color for the packaging. And you get 120 milliliters, so that is 4.6 of a fluid ounce, and that retails for $35. So it's pretty great so far. I have been liking everything that I've gotten so far, minus the lip gloss, but even then I don't think it's bad. I just don't personally like lip glosses. So the next thing that I see is Clean Biotic. So this is a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. Okay, so that's really interesting. So this is the brand Bionic, and this retails for, oh, this is the brand, so Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic. So this is the brand Dr. Brandt, and this retails for $35. So I'm really excited for this because I really like Dr. Brandt's products, and the last cleanser that I got in my FabFitFun box a couple months ago was the Tula cleanser, and it was a probiotic cleanser, and I'm almost out of it and I want to repurchase it, but I also want to try new things. So I'm going to give this one a try and see if it makes my skin feel as good as the Tula stuff does, and if not, then I'll obviously go back to the Tula stuff, but I definitely want to give this a try. So you get 3.5 fluid ounces, and it's which is 105 milliliters. The only thing that I'm questioning about this is mine is dirty. There's like a black line all across it that's like dirt, and my hands aren't dirty. So that's kind of weird. So this is what the packaging looks like up close, and this retails for $35. So far everything that we've been getting has been really gravitating to the skincare side, which is awesome because I am in love with skincare. So the next thing that I see is another skincare item. So this is the No Pore Problem Prime Essence. So this is the flower extract by the brand Touch and Soul. So this retails for $23. So this is let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer Essence infused with Calendula Official's flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So this is to go with the primer that we got a couple months ago. So this is the same, this is their primer, and then this is their Touch and Soul Flower Extract Prime Essence. So I don't know what a prime essence is. I've never heard of it before, but it's like a liquid. So that's interesting. I'm assuming you're supposed to use it paired together because this is what we got a few months ago. I'm gonna have to look into this product because I've never actually heard of it before, but that's really interesting. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just standard white, and it has like pink infusion all over it, and then it says no pore problem, whatever it is, and it's by the brand Touch and Soul. So you get 30 milliliters in this primer essence, and that's interesting. I've never heard of a primer essence before. I've only ever heard of primers, so kind of weird. But we have been getting a lot of things that are flower extract in this box that I've noticed. There's like 3 things now. So the last thing that I see in the box is the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3. So it looks like this. So this is what the packaging looks like, and when you open it, it looks like this. So we got the face palette, so this is the cheek palette. So we got 2 blush shades, 2 highlight shades, and 2 bronzer shades. So I will swatch them for you guys, but I'll quickly show you them what they look like up close. So this is what it looks like up close. It's really gorgeous and really pretty, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like swatched. Meet your new everyday staple, this 6 shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette, Volume 3, formulated with Amazonian clay, delivers streak and made free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlight, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look. So we have 6 shades, 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and 2 bronzers. So I'm going to swatch the blushes first. So this is Premier and Dance Floor. They look like that on my hands. So Premier and Dance Floor. So they are very light shades, obviously. And this is what they look like on my hands. They're really pretty, and I'm sure they'll be really nice blushes. Next 2 shades are Headliner and A-Lister. So Headliner. So those are really gorgeous highlight colors. They're super shimmery and really, really pretty. So I'm very excited for these colors, especially the shade A-Lister. It is really pretty. It's very, very up my alley of very blinding and white. I'm really into super blinding highlights like the Jeffree Star Ice Cold. So because it's such a light highlight shade, I think it'll work really nice on my complexion. And then the next 2 shades are Autograph and Backstage. So Autograph and Backstage. So those are just bronzer shades right there, and this whole palette is really nice. It seems like it would be a really great face palette. I think this palette looks really great. It's really pretty, and I'm really excited for the highlight shades. I don't really gravitate to blush that too much, so I don't know how often I will wear those shades, but I really like the bronzer shades and the highlight shades. They look really gorgeous. So this palette retails for $45 if you are interested in picking it up. But that was everything that was in my BoxyLuxe box this month. I am really excited for it. I thought it was a really great box. The only thing, again, like I said, that I am not really that interested in is the lip gloss, but my friend has already claimed it, so that's no big deal. Out of all of the items, only giving away one of the items is not a big deal at all. So I'm gonna quickly total up the total of this box for you guys and let you guys know how much it was. So the total of this month's box is $352, and I only paid, I believe it was $60 because it's the regular BoxyCharm box, which is $21 a month, which in Canadian it's about $36, and then it is your regular box, so $36 plus an additional like $30 or something on top. So I think I spend about 60 or 70 Canadian every 3 months on this box, and it's usually amazing, and this one was really great. I don't think I've ever come across a BoxyLuxe box so far that I haven't liked. There's obviously items in every single box that I'm not going to be overly happy with, but that's just the risk that you get with subscription boxes. So I think overall this is a really amazing box, especially for that price. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And if I was kind of off today and a little bit lower on energy, it's because I just got home from a trip this weekend. We drove 6 hours to go to a wedding, and then we spent the night and we stayed up all night drinking, and then we had to drive back this morning another 6 hours, and then I got home and we just did like house stuff and hung out with some of our friends, and then I had time to film this video. It's literally 10:30 at night and I've been up, and it's Sunday and I've been up since 7 this morning, so I am really tired. So that's why I may be a little off in this video. But thank you guys so much for watching anyway. I hope you guys do enjoy my content and will join my little family, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye!